07
07
9
958 711 029.
Where's the call button?
Does it not just do it automatically? I think it does it on its own, Russ.
Hello? There's no reply.
Oh, is it even ringing?
Nope.
Okay, this is how Ross can't use a payphone.
Hello. This is a video of how Ross can't call a sex line. Because he's impotent. Where's... Let's try that again.
Wait till you get a dial.
Read me the number again. Read me the number. How about the black woman now? Best man in town.
Black Beauty.
07
0795.
Right, try again.
What are you doing?
We're trying to call a sex line for fun to see what happens. 0795.
Ross, it'll cost you a fortune.
£1 7
£1.
Just to hear some
8 9.
stupid bored
Let's do it
housewife
for fun.
mixing up a cake mix and saying she's feeling horny.
This is going on YouTube.
Can you dial it? Can you dial it?
Ross can't make the payphone work.
You haven't even got a dial tone.
Let's do it from the other one. It'll be funny. We've got to do it. Well, we're in London. We've got to call a sex line. It's not right if we don't.
Phone's not working.
Busty Black Beauty. Top and bottom heavy. All services available. Fully equipped dungeon.
Phone has no dial tone.
Fully equipped
It's got to be a dial
dungeon.
tone even with a card thing, you know.